Hello students, how are you? Today's topic is polynomial, and in particularly we talk about algebraic identities. So we have many algebraic identities. Some of the identities I am going to write on the board: x plus y whole square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, x minus y whole square equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square, x minus y, x plus y equal to x square minus y square, and x plus a, x plus b equal to x square plus a plus bx plus a into b. So we have these four identities, and on the basis of these identities we are able to solve many questions. So this is now next, and identities are, you can pause the video and write down all the identities. Here we have fifth identities as x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Next identity is x plus y whole cube. So these all are the factors, and these are expressions, algebraic expressions, So this is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y. Definitely we can further we can express it in the form. So it will be x cube plus y cube plus 3xy 3x square y plus 3xy square. So in both way you can learn. So x minus y whole cube will be x cube plus y cube minus 3xy minus y cube minus 3xy bracket x minus y. So when we further express it, x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So in this way we can solve. Now we have here x cube minus y cube. Actually it is an algebraic expression. Now the factorization of this algebraic expression is x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square, and here we have another. Similarly we can solve x cube plus y cube equal to, this is an algebraic expression, and the factorization of this algebraic expression is x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Now we have another identities of cube, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z. This is again an algebraic expression, and the factorization of this algebraic expression is something unique. X plus y plus z in first bracket, and in second bracket we write x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So here we have, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then in this case x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be minus 3xyz equal to, when we factorize this expression in the earlier here, I have explained you that it will be x plus y plus z in first bracket. Since x plus y plus z is 0, so we can write 0 times the another factor here. So 0 multiplied by any number, any number will be 0. So here in this case we can say that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So you can write it like this: x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Why? Because minus 3xyz will be transposed, and here since x plus y plus z, since the factorization of this algebraic expression has x plus y plus z is one of the factor, so that's why we can write it down like this. So now let's start one of the question here. We have to factorize a square plus b square plus 2 bracket ab plus bc plus ca. So you have to factorize this question. Now you can check in all the algebraic identities that here how do we check? We check the face of the algebraic identity. Like we have, if I expand this, so we have a square plus b square plus, no, I don't have c square here, 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So what we see here, we see that we have something missing. Like the identities must be like this: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here what we can do, we can introduce c square, like a square plus b square plus c square. If I am introducing c square, we have to subtract by the same term, because c square and c square will ultimately cancel out, and there will not be any change in the value or in the expression here. So we just introducing c square, but for the sake of convenience, like we want to apply the what the algebraic identities a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to a plus b plus c whole square. So that's why I'm introducing it. So 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So we have a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So we can further write it as a plus b plus c whole square. Now I have what? I have minus c square. So what we can do further? I can further factorize it like a square. We have identity a square minus b square, or you can assume it as x and y, x square minus y square. So whole as x and this as y. So it will be x plus y and x minus y. So here a plus b plus c minus c, this will be the first factor, and the second factor will be a plus b plus c plus c. So now we have the answer. We can here further solve it like a plus b plus c and c will be cancelled out, and here we have a plus b plus c, it will be a plus b plus 2c. So the further factor will be a plus b, and the second will be a plus b plus 2c. Alright, I hope you have understood this question. Now we have another question, like factorize again, factorize 2 root 2a cube plus 8b cube minus 27c cube plus 18 root 2 abc. So I have the question, and I can identify this question by using our algebraic identities. So we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube and abc. Like we can convert this algebraic expression in the identity like x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. I have to make the face of like the face of this algebraic identities like this. If we want to use this algebraic identity, we have to make the face of this expression like x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So how? So we have 2, and 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, you know that. So we have root 2 into root 2 and again 1 root 2 here. So 2 means root 2 into root 2 and root 2 will become root 2 whole cube. And we have a cube plus 8 can be written as 2 cube, you know that. B cube minus, we have minus, so we can use plus here because we have identity plus. Now minus 27 can be written as minus 3 whole cube, we all know 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, and c cube. Now we have minus, so leave it here, 18 root 2 abc. Further we will make, now we are, this is a cube and this is that means a cube into b cube equal to a into b whole cube. So we can write further it like this. Now again a cube into b cube equal to a into b whole cube. So this is actually an identity, so we can write it as b to b whole cube plus, this can be written again minus 3c whole cube. Now we have a face a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now we have the fourth one minus 3abc minus 3. What is a? A is this root 2a means x, sorry, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So what is x here? Root 2x, root 2a, sorry, root 2a. What is y here? 2b. What is z here? Minus 3c. Why? Because we have now the face like this, x cube, compare this cube, x will be root 2a, y cube, 2b whole cube, y cube, and y is 2b. Again the base, we considering only the base, cube, z is minus 3c. So now what do we want? We want minus 3xyz. So we have converted this 18 root 2 abc in the form of what? 3abc. Further up, now we are going to check it whether it is 18 root 2 abc or not. So when we multiply 3 to just 6, 6 3s are 18, and minus plus root 2 abc. So we have all, now we have made or converted this algebraic expression in the face like x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now we are able to apply the identity. And what is the identity? The identity is x plus y plus z in first bracket, and in second bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So here we have x plus y plus z in first bracket, so x plus y plus z, this is z actually, plus z plus minus become minus, and in second bracket a square root 2 square plus b square 2b square plus c square here minus 3c whole square minus ab minus 2 root 2 a minus bc minus b is what? B is 2b, and this will be minus 3c minus xy minus yz minus zx is minus 3c and x is root 2a. So when we multiply and solve this, we'll get two factors. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Just we have to make the face of given algebraic expression similar to the algebraic identities, given algebraic identities. Let's do another question. Now this question is very easy, like factorize 4x square plus 20x plus 25. We have three terms here, and we have a face like I think a square plus 2ab plus b square. If we are able to make, we can. So now we have we can make the face like a square plus 2ab plus b square. We try to make it like here we have 2 square, we can write it 2 square x square, and now don't do anything because we need only a and b in this case, and this is 5 square. Yes, so we can further write it like 2x whole square plus 20x plus 5 square. Now we can say that, so we have a and b because the square, the base of the square, like the a here 2x is the base of the square, so we have a. When we compare, we have a 2x, and the second base of the square is b, like here we have square and the base is 5, so we can assume a as 2x and b as 5. Now we can make this as 2ab. How? We have 2, we have a like 2x, and we have b 5. Now multiply 2 to the 4 5s are 20, 20x. So now we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can use the identity. What is the identity here? The identity is a plus b whole square. So now we have a is 2x and b is 5. So the answer is 2x plus 5 whole square. Means further we can write it like this: 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 5. So we have, now we have another question. If 9 by 10 whole cube minus 2 by 5 whole cube minus 1 by 2 whole cube equal to x by 50, find x. We need to find x here in this question. So we have an algebraic identities: a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc when x plus y plus z equal to 0. So we have here, we don't have to solve all the numbers here. So here we have to use the instruction is given that you have to use the algebraic identities. So we have a cube plus b cube. How can we? So we can convert like this here: 9 by 10 whole cube plus minus 2 by 5 whole cube plus minus 1 by 2 whole cube. If I introduce here, minus cube will become minus, so there will not be any change. Now we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So let's check what is a, the base of the cube. Assume a as 9 by 10, b as minus 2 by 5, c as minus 1 by 2. So we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to x by 50. So I assumed what? A as here, when we compare cube and a will become here 9 by 10. So a is 9 by 10, b is cube and cube, the base of this cube is minus 2 by 5. Similarly here we have c minus 1 by 2. When we solve a plus b plus c, we will definitely get what? The answer 0. How? So it will become here I think 4 by 10, and here we have minus 5 by 10 I think. So when we all add all these, here in this case we have a plus b plus c is 0. So since we have a plus b plus c 0, at the place of a cube plus b cube plus c cube, I can write it as 3abc, because we have identities. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then we can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube as 3abc. 3abc when a plus b plus c is 0, and I have showed that a plus b plus c is 0. And what is a here? A is 3, 9 by 10. What is b? Minus 2 by 5. What is c? Minus 1 by 2 equal to x upon 50. Now it is very easy to solve. Transpose it, cut it, you'll get the answer of x. Thank you very much.